Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Willan Velasco. I'm 35 years old. I am married. I have three children, age of 16, 13, and 9 years old. I am a high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and my kids study in future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am. I have experience here in Philippines. As a domestic helper for 2 years and 6 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning, gardening, ironing, go to market, and car washing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
I took care of a newborn baby and a 3 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I took care of baby by changing diaper and clothes, feeding, and sterilizing baby bottle.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skill is cooking of Filipino food, and I am willing to learn cooking Chinese foods.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, it's necessary to be honest, hardworking, and trustworthy, loyal.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am and sir. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I am honest, loyal, hardworking, trustworthy. Thank you, ma'am and sir.